Just getting ready to ship this Gibson J-30 that we did the neck surgery on. We're shipping this back to Danny in Kirkland Lake. But before I do, I wanted to bring this up again for all of you guys that have been following my channel that have your compensated nut packages, and you've been kind of following all of the calibration instructions that I give on my Patreon channel to the Tier 3 guys. When I've got everything done, my very last tuning check is this. So the notes E and B, first and second string. Then I play the two harmonics at the 7th fret, 5th string, also E and B. Okay. So E, B, E, B. And then the last thing I do is I fret at the 9th fret, the middle two strings, E and B. So this final calibration really lights up all those first position chords. So here we go. So we've got the compensated nut, the compensated saddle, the complete neck surgery. This is set up for 11 to 52 strings at concert pitch. And as you can hear, perfectly in tune. I'll be packing this up today, Danny, and we'll send you the tracking number. And now that we're over that wickedly cold stuff, I'll just tune this down a step and it'll be coming home to Papa.